Happy Monday, everyone, and welcome back. This is Debasree, and today we are back with the second episode of the studio sessions. Today, I'm going to be painting a purple bluebell forest while talking about a topic which is very close to my heart: how to become a full time artist without any degree. You know that I am a full time artist and I am self taught. My degree was in computer engineering, but after working for a decade, I chose art as my profession. I taught myself as much as I could on the subject and practiced continuously. Alright, having said all that, let's get into the discussion. How to become a full time artist without any degree. Are you passionate about art but lacking a formal degree? Do not let that discourage you from pursuing your dreams of becoming a full time artist. Many successful artists have forged their own path without the confines of a traditional education. With determination, perseverance, and a strong dose of creativity, you can do it too. The first step towards becoming a full time artist is to believe in your own talent and passion. Recognize that your unique perspective and artistic voice hold immense value regardless of any academic credentials. Embrace the fact that art is not confined to the walls of an institution. It is a reflection of your inner self and your personal expression. To navigate this journey, you must be willing to invest time and effort into honing your skills. Take advantage of the vast resources available today. Engage in self-study, attend workshops and art events, and learn from established artists through online tutorials and mentorship programs. Immerse yourself in the art community both locally and online to gain insights, inspiration, and valuable connections. Develop a consistent art practice and set goals for yourself. Dedicate regular time to creating art, experimenting with different mediums and styles, and pushing your boundaries. Build a portfolio that showcases your range, versatility, and growth as an artist. Remember, practice is the key to refining your technique and developing your signature style. In addition to creating art, it's also crucial to establish your presence in the art world. Create an online portfolio or website to showcase your artwork and build your online brand. Utilize social media platforms to connect with fellow artists, art collectors, and potential clients. Engage in meaningful conversations, share your artistic journey, and participate in art challenges or collaborations to expand your reach and visibility. While a degree may not be a prerequisite, continuous learning is vital. Explore art history, study the works of renowned artists, and stay updated on current trends and techniques. Attend exhibitions, visit galleries, and immerse yourself in the art scene to stay inspired and informed. As you gain confidence and recognition, don't shy away from seeking opportunities to exhibit and sell your artworks. Participate in local art shows, approach galleries, and explore online platforms that connect artists with potential buyers. Networking and building relationships with art professionals can open doors to commissions, collaborations, and even representation. Lastly, embrace the entrepreneurial side of being a full-time artist. Develop business skills, understand pricing strategies, and learn how to market and promote your work effectively. Seek business guidance from professionals or join artist communities where you can learn from experienced artists who have successfully navigated the art market. Becoming a full-time artist without a degree may seem challenging, but with passion, dedication, and continuous self-improvement, you can turn your artistic aspirations into a thriving career. Remember, your talent and determinations are truly what define you as an artist. Embrace your unique journey, trust your artistic talents, and let your creativity soar. The world awaits your extraordinary artistic voice. I hope you enjoyed watching and listening this episode of Studio Sessions. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next Monday with episode 3 of Studio Sessions.